Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you guys about a simple word counter in Java. So what that is like basically you enter a sentence or a paragraph or whatever, and it'll just count how many words that takes up. So without further ado, let's get started. So first we'll want to move this to line 5 here. Okay, because in line 3 we need to write import, and then we'll want to type java.util.scanner. We'll want to make this uppercase, and we'll put a semicolon there. Next, we'll want to delete this here. Then we'll move this down to the I, and then we're ready to start our code. Firstly, we'll type scanner equals new scanner. Wait, let me fix this. Okay, new scanner system.in. Okay, then we'll skip this line here and go to the next one. This will get the user input. Okay, so next we'll do system.out.println. Enter is sentence or paragraph. Okay, then let me fix this here. Okay, now we'll put a semicolon there. Then we'll move back. Okay, so what's next? Now we'll type string input equals scanner dot next line. Okay, now we'll put a semicolon there, and we'll skip to the next part. Next, we'll type string box, and then we'll do words equals input dot trim. Then we'll put this, then we'll type dot split, and then we'll do this here. Then we'll type backslash, 2 backslash, s plus. And then we'll put another one of this here. And we'll put a semicolon there to finish this. Oh, and by the way, what I forgot to type was this area will count the words in the code. Okay. Actually, not in the code, in the input that the code will work on. Okay. Next, we'll do int word count equals words dot length, and then we'll put a semicolon to finish that part off. Next, what we'll do is put 2 slashes and type this part will be the count the characters in statement, and this part will exclude spaces. Okay. Okay. So what this line will do is int char count equals input dot replace, and then we will delete this in here, and we'll put a space here, so we'll replace that and this here, and then we'll type dot length. Okay, wait, let's go back and put a semicolon there. Now the next part will be displaying results. So what this part will do is system dot out dot print ln, and then we will type word count semicolon, and then we'll put a space there. Then we'll do plus word count. Now we'll put a semicolon there again. Then we will put another system dot out dot println here. Then we'll just change this variable to char count, and then we'll do character count exclude spaces, and then we'll do plus char count. Then we'll go here to the last part and type scanner dot close. Okay. Now let's test the code. We'll select all or Control A, right click, run as one Java application, and click OK. Now enter a sentence or paragraph. This is a sentence. Okay, so yeah, that is 4 words. Let's count the characters. So that's 4, 6, 7, 10, 13, 15. Yeah, it's correct. Now let's type something else. A paragraph is a multi-word, not a multi-word, a multi-sentence group which involves quite a few words. By the way, this is a very short paragraph. Okay, this is not actually a paragraph, but like I don't want to waste your time on this video, so I just wrote 2 sentences. So let's just click enter. So this 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 13, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 20. I might have miscounted, but yeah, it's 22. And character count, which excludes spaces, is 94. Okay, nice. So we did it. Okay then. So I guess that's it for today's mini project about how to make a simple word or and character counter in Java. I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson. If you like this lesson, please share it with your friends. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and leave a comment to see more educational videos and support me along the way. Thank you guys for watching today's video, and I hope to see you in our next lesson. Have a good day.